Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Project DIY. Today, well, tonight, we're gonna be changing out the right hand side taillight. This taillight actually is working, but the accent light that goes here across are not working anymore. Let me show you what I mean. As you can see, the left hand side accent light are working on the right hand side. The DRL light are not working on this side. And here's the new light I'm gonna be replacing it with. Well, it's not new, it's fairly used, but it's like new, I would say. I got it off eBay for a really good deal. They even let this on, which I'm not gonna be using anymore because I got my own cables there from the car. But yeah, it's pretty good. It barely has any scratches, maybe a little bit here, but other than that, I think it's a pretty good deal. Okay, so the tools you're going to be needing for the procedure, it's going to be a drill or a screwdriver, whatever is your liking, and a drill bit, which is for this drill. And you're going to be needing an 8mm, like this. It's going to be a tall one, because, see how tall this is? So that's why you need like as tall as this. Alrighty, basically all it has is 1, 2, and 3 in the back there. Okay, so inside the trunk here, we remove the cover. Get it out of our way. And as you can see, here's also the battery of the car, in case you're wondering where it might be. And here in the back is where the light is located. So all it is here is the cover with the lights on, and you don't need any tools for this. All you do is, see this little gray tab there? You grab the tab and you press it like upwards, and this just comes loose very easily. So here are the lights, in case you're wondering where the lights are in the future that you might want to change them. Okay, we put this aside. So now we got the screws exposed, which is 1, 2, and 3 over here. Now with the drill, just make them loose. Okay, so this is it. All you do now is just pull it out. Just like that. From the side. Grab our new one. So remember, we don't need this part. So all you do, press the tab again, get them out. I'm gonna be using these lights for reserve. Spare parts. And here we go, we put it back in. Okay, so now before I put in the screws, I'm gonna test it real quick and make sure that it's actually working, because like I said, it's not brand new, it's used, so that's the risk of it. Okay, so we grab our lights and we snap it back in place. It's gonna click like this. Okay, so now we turn on the car again and see that we should have the DRL lights here still working, same as this one over here. Let's give it a shot. Okay, as we can see, it did turn on as expected, so I'm very happy with this, especially since I got it for so cheap. I got it off eBay, as I said again, roughly around $100, and these lights run around $280 if I'm not mistaken, if you get the real BMW ones. But of course it comes with the risk, because you never know when it might go out again. Okay, so after we made sure everything is working, we'll put everything back together. and the cover back on. That's it. Well, that's it. It was very easy to do. Please give this a thumbs up or like or share it. I'll greatly appreciate it. Thank you.